Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's swim. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Right now, I am in Dallas at Pinners Conference, and we started our giveaway. The giveaway is open. It will run all the way through next weekend. We have Craf-Tay Con next weekend, which is 2 days of a super long, fun video that you can craft alongside next week on my channel. But with that, what are we giving away? We have 10 amazing winners. The description has the link to the giveaway. It is done through like a platform that you can just do all the things and you can get extra points. You get 5 points if you're a member. You get extra points if you go and follow the sponsors on Instagram, and it will track all that for you. So get used to them, because this is how I'm doing giveaways for a long time. And so actually, the more you enter into my giveaways consecutively, the more points you get in the next giveaways. So if you're like, oh, I didn't win, it actually gives you a leg up in the next giveaway that I do, which I'm going to be doing quarterly ones with my business members. So you're definitely going to want to stick around if you enjoy possibly winning some really fun, cool, creative things. Okay, so what are we giving away? We have, if you love our nails next week in the videos and all the pictures you see, we are giving away a custom set. You get to pick whatever you want from Pineapple Press-Ons. And she sponsored our entire event by doing all of our nails. So if you see them and you're like, their nails are so cute, that's because we literally got them done by a professional press-on artist. She is giving away a custom set. Melissa from Sweet Buttercut Designs, who designed and made all of our paper flowers, she also designs a ton of our paper parties for my members, is giving away a custom paper set. You can see all of the details down in the description of what everything is and what is being given away. Jess from 99 Art Designs, who's a custom laser cutter, and also cut our Craf-Tay Con sign and all of the Mickey ears for you guys, is giving away a custom laser tappable sign. So if you have a small business or you are doing pop-up parties, you can get it custom designed exactly how you want, and she'll work with you on exactly how you want it to look. Every single giveaway is also coming with a $10 MakerFlow gift card. They're giving away 10 different gift cards, so we've paired them with another bigger bonus. Marvy is giving away 4 bundles of different types of pens. We have brush pens, we have chalk pens, we have journaling pens, and I believe paint pens. So these are all the giveaways that you can enter. Marvy is also one of our partners, so if you're a business member, you can always use your coupon code to purchase these pens at any time, and you get 20% off if you are a craft member, 30% off if you're a business member. Envirotote is giving away a whole tote bundle, over $150 worth of totes. They sponsored the totes in our gift bag, and just so much fun, because the whole theme of the weekend is like pick up and go, take your therapeutic crafts with you. And so tote bags and makeup bags and different bags that you can also DIY on top of carry all your fun craft supplies around. I am giving away 4 mystery boxes. So the mystery boxes are almost completely gone, and the only thing you can do now is get pieces of the mystery box. The best deal was to buy the entire mystery box, but we had 4 winners who are going to walk away with 1 box each. So the box again is worth over $300. Each box is worth over $300. You get the Bella Canvas hoodie, you get the tote bag, you get the glue gun, you get the Marvy pens, you get the MakerFlow bundle, you get the embroidery ears, you get the embroidery set and the kit, and all the fun things that were in the box. So we're going to give away 4 of those. All right, so make sure you're watching next week. I will be live at the end of next week's shows to announce the winners. You do not have to be present to win. We will email you. We will let you know if you won, but I will be announcing them at the end of Craf-Tay Con next week, so you don't want to miss that. I will be doing it live. The whole event will wrap up, and if you miss next week's event or you're watching this later in time, it still lives on my YouTube channel. Don't worry, you can go back and watch it anytime you want. And if you got the box or you won the box and you want to craft alongside us, first of all, yes, you can go watch the rest of them, but you can also let me know down in the comments if you want us to do this more and who else you would want me to invite. Make sure that you enter this giveaway. Again, it'll enter you into bonus points for our next giveaway, which comes out in November, which I am so excited to start doing giveaways. If you don't win, it's going to give you extra points in the next giveaway. So there's loyalty points here, okay? All right, I love you guys. I will see you guys for Craf-Tay Con next week. You have all week to enter. Bye.